Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today we will review how to perform routine service on your Dosatron D8RE5 40 GPM injector. Before we start, make sure the Dosatron unit is clicking. If not, please watch the D8RE5 40 GPM troubleshooting video. To service your D8RE5 injector, you will need the seal kit and a small flat blade screwdriver. It's best to perform this maintenance in a clean area, or if your Dosatron is in line, cover your concentrate tank so you won't lose any parts. To begin, disconnect the suction hose by unscrewing the hose clamp and remove the suction hose. Set both aside. Unscrew the injection stem nut and pull the injection stem straight out of the injector's body. Next, unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Grab the barb and pull the check valve assembly straight out. Discard the old check valve assembly. Unscrew and remove the lock nut. Then remove the C-clamp by spreading the opening and sliding it down over the threads. Unscrew and remove the adjusting nut. Slide the injection stem nut down and off of the black sleeve. Push the white injection stem up and out of the black sleeve. Remove the injection stem O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the white stem. Install the new O-ring. Then remove the injection sleeve O-ring by also pinching and rolling it off of the black sleeve. Replace with the new O-ring. To reassemble, align the groove on the white injection stem with the tooth inside the lower portion of the black sleeve and slide the stem down as far as possible. Then slide the injection stem nut onto the black sleeve. Thread the adjusting nut back onto the black sleeve and set it around 3%. This will ensure that you have enough threads for the next step. Replace the C-clamp by sliding it over the threads at the bottom of the white stem. Rotate the clamp until it clicks into place. Then thread on the lock nut and hand tighten. You can now install the new check valve assembly into the stem and reinstall the check valve nut. Set the stem aside. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, carefully remove the plunger seal by rolling it out of the groove. Install the new plunger seal into the groove on the plunger. To finish up, align the notches in the lower part of the blue body with the teeth on the top of the injection stem assembly. Slide the two parts together, then reinstall the injection stem nut hand tight. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off and reinstall. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace. Now, thread the suction hose clamp onto the hose. Slide the hose onto the barb and tighten the clamp. Make sure to set the Dosatron to your desired setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your Dosatron D8RE5 40 GPM injector. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see other videos, check out our YouTube channel. I'm Jason at Dosatron University. Thanks for watching.